Because laser cutting involves a curve, the cut parts may be smaller than the drawing. Here's what we should do. We'll use cutting a 50mm circle as an example to explain. Cut and measure dimensions. When adding compensation, there are several options. We choose inner expansion because there is only one outline, so the graphic defaults to an outer expansion of 0.1mm. When you successfully compensate, the original drawing will turn white, new cutting lines will be generated, and the dimensions of your part can be corrected. Cut and measure dimensions.